Huizhou Zhongkaixin Food Company Limited, located in Huizhou, near to Hong Kong, is a professional supplier for konjac products. We have a wide range of konjac, such as konjac rice, instant konjac noodles, meal replacement, konjac sponge, dry konjac noodles, dry konjac rice, konjac snack, konjac powder, and other konjac vegan products. We provide both organic and traditional konjac. All the products can be traceable, GMO-free, allergy-free. Zhongkaixin guarantees food safety, professional service, and fast delivery with BRC, IFS, FDA, Halal, Kosher, HACCP, CE, NOP, and the other international quality certification. Konjac products supplied by our company have covered over 30 countries and regions like EU, America, Canada, Asia, and Africa. We have been constantly developing overseas market with a global perspective. We expanded this business for 8 years, and it is still growing. Customized packaging, custom formulation, and the other brand products are available for our company. It is our mission to build a leading brand for konjac in overseas channel for Chinese brand as well. Huizhou Zhongkaixin Food Company Limited will keep holding the principle of proceed excellence and business philosophy. We will use our profession and systematic manner, continuous research, development and innovation, advanced equipment, strict quality control to provide customers with a valuable products to get the unique market position. Welcome to join us in the near future.
Our company specializes in different kinds of konjac, such as konjac rice, konjac pasta, instant konjac noodles, and other meal replacement food. We guarantee food safety, professional service, and fast delivery. We hereby warmly welcome friends from all over the world to cooperate with us. Under the idea of mutual benefit and win-win, we will definitely create a better future.